peoples. We're going to have a look at these little kittens. And I've got a helper. So we're going to drag them out and have a look at them one by one.
This one.
So what's this one's name?
This one's named Mickey. Got a little. If you look up close, it has a. One of its little.
So that one's Mickey.
Yeah, and it's got like one of its eyes a little bit opened, and this one is like, you can see it's got a black. It's all black, and it's got like a little black fluffy tail.
Yep. All right, grab the next one.
Yeah. Next the white one. This one.
You don't have to hold him up.
This one's named Teddy. He's got.
Yeah, don't get too.
He's got one eye open.
Too close, mate. Too close.
He's got one eye open too, and he likes to play with Mickey.
What's this one's name?
Teddy, and he likes to play with Mickey a lot. And as I said, he's got this little eye and a pink patch.
Yep.
And this
Mama's here, wondering what's going on.
And this is the Mama Anna. She came in to breed the babies. Shelly, I believe she's perhaps a girl.
Got to keep them still. I can't film if you keep them.
A girl, and she doesn't like to be picked up. She's a tricolour like Anna.
Like a mum. She's a tricolour like a mum.
And yeah, she's the only girl from the 5 kittens. Right. She's got one eye open too.
One eye open as well.
So one now until they all have their eyes open. Or a couple more minutes. One is Snoopy. He is a boy. And yeah, he's got like a He's got a pouch tail and.
How old are they?
How old they're about 10 days and 5 hours and 25 seconds old.
Yep, alright. Okay, grab the next one.
That's a Domino.
Domino.
It looks like the last one with the tail. But, yeah, it's got a black pouch like a little one Elsa.
So, this one's Domino. We've got Domino, Mickey.
We've got Domino, Mickey, Shelly, Snoopy, and Teddy. Dulcine, and yeah.
Let's be real quiet.
This one is pretty.
No, just be real quiet and see if we can hear him. No.
We can't because I fell.
Alright, that's it. Put them away now.